Hi everyone, pray that you're all fine. Today we learn how to pair PS4 controller with PC. Let's start. First you need to go to Bluetooth mod by pressing PS button and option button together till you see flashing light. Now go to PC, turn on Bluetooth and search Bluetooth devices, then choose the PS4 controller. After done, open settings and check your controller working fine. That's all for today's video. See you next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. God bless you us all. Amen.